Chris here. I'm going to the modification shop to look for Jimmy. Let's go. Go.
If I could write you a song to make you fall in love, I would already have you up under my arm. I used up all of my tricks. I hope that you like this, but you probably won't. You think you got designer shades just to hide your face, and you wear them around like you're cooler than me.
Hey bro, what are you doing now?
I'm checking how to install the stock conversion. And do you know what's this? It is a 19mm extension socket to install the stock conversion. And we will set the torque wrench to 140 Nm.
Oh, I know.
To be easier to install the product.
I know.
You know what?
Excuse me, sir. Why would you want to install the stock conversion?
Go away. It will be easier to replace the wheel hump. It is difficult for German cars to allege the holes when installing the hump, and bolts are generally used to fasten the hump. The Japanese car relies on bolts and nuts to fasten the hump, although the effect is the same. The German car needs to remove the rope to assist in installation. Japanese cars are easier to install. Therefore, the start conversion can make the German car transfer into the forms of the upper valve nut of the Japanese car.
Okay, it's time to knock off.
Give me the camera. And let's see how to install the start conversion. First, install the bolt. Fix it with a torque wrench set to 20 Nm. And then install the hump. Look, it will be very easy. The last step is to install the nut and fix it with a 140 Nm torque wrench. Fix it with a torque wrench set to 20 Nm. And then we will install the hump. Look, it will be more easier. And then we will install the hump. Look, it will be easier, although the weight is still heavy. Let's try our best. And the last step, we will install the nut and fix it with a 140 Nm torque wrench to make sure it is safety.
Your scene, you got no doubt, but we all see you got your head in the clouds. If I could write you a song to make you fall in love, I would already have you up under my arm. I used up all of my tricks. I hope that you like this, but you probably won't. You think you're cooler than me. You think you're cooler than me. You think you're cooler than me. You think you're cooler than me.
So we finished?
Yes, we finished.
Yes.
And the next video, we're going to introduce the Audi S3 with high performance. If you like our video, please subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe.
And give us a like.
See you next video.
If you like Audi S3 with high performance.
Yes. See you next video.